Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Xiaomi 13T. You have to start with opening Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and now click install. And here you can click open. Now you can skip this introduction and click open permissions, and you have to find AI Assistant app on this list and click here to allow this application to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.